Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a bee while we learn Spanish. These are the antennas, which in Spanish is ANTENA. We draw their adorable eyes. Adorable in Spanish is adorable. Be careful, they are spelled the same but pronounced differently. We draw its wings. That in Spanish is said alas. We use black for the lines. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. These adorable insects are the honey makers. But be careful, they sting. This is its sting. That in Spanish is said AGUIJON. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say honey in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Bees are yellow, so let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. The drawing is looking very good. Now we use the gray color. That is said GRIS. Let's see if you know the answer. Honey in Spanish is MIEL. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.